I have good news.
Merci, Aigbe.
Ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. Ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. Èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. Èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Some people now carry plenty guns. Another second person. Only one now carry big gun.
President General among the nation. President General among the nation. You guys are the best fans ever. I see your comments, I see your DMs. The fact that you went out to see Thin Line and you still gave your reviews. Those reviews were amazing. I mean, reading reviews on Thin Line just kept me going, made me very proud that I did something worthwhile. I did something beautiful with my cast and crew. Back on the grind, back rejuvenated, back re-energized, back revitalized, renewed, back like I never left, and back to do a lot of exploits this 2025. Guys, if you're familiar with my social media handles, if you know the kind of person that I am, you would know that I love to show gratitude. I love to say thank you. I love to show appreciation. And that is the essence of this video. But before I delve into that,
see, I want to talk about some particular friends. Tí àwọn èèyàn fura sí. Àwọn wo ni mo ń sọ? Kò ń ṣe gbogbo everybody tó bá fún ẹ ní audience nígbà ìṣòro òun ló love ẹ genuinely àbí ló fẹ́ rere fún ẹ. Kò kí ń ṣe gbogbo ọ̀rẹ́ tó bá dúró tì ẹ́ lásìkò ìṣòro òun ló love ẹ. Some friends are psychopaths. They derive joy seeing you in sadness and sorrow. Surely sleepless nights, àìmọ̀bi tó fẹ́ gbégbé at that particular time. Your tears, your everything òun ló fún wọn ní joy. Kò dẹ̀ síbi tí wọ́n bá ti ń rí joy èèyàn máa tátán síbẹ̀ ni. So they will always be with you. Wọ́n máa feel pé this person is good. Irọ́ omijé ojú ẹ̀ òun ló ń fún wọn ní ayọ̀, ló ń fún wọn ní ìdùnnú. They are psychopaths. Àwọn yẹn wọ́n máa ń wà ń bẹ fún ẹ nígbà oríire ẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tún máa dúró tì ẹ́ pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ torí pé oríire ẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n fẹ́ kó dìbànújẹ́. And don't máa advice èèyàn. Note, most of their advice ó máa ń jẹ́ ní most times though. But tó bá ti advice ẹ̀tọ́ yẹn wọ́n tún máa gbàdúrà pé àwọn fẹ́ kó ṣiṣẹ́ níṣẹ́, wọ́n máa gbàdúrà kí negative energy àwọn kó supersede positive energy because ohun wípé ṣe bí I told you wọ́n fẹ́ kó tẹnu wọn jáde sí ẹ. Tó bá ti wá sọ pé ayé mi ti bàjẹ́ níbo mo fẹ́ gbé gbà mo ti ṣorí burúkú dé sọ fún mi o. Àmàní náà ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ náà next thing tá máa ṣe nìkan ṣe kí wọ́n máa dúró tẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tó ní fún ẹ tán because òun fún wọn ní joy nípa wípé ọkàn ẹ ń pòrúurú. Ọjọ́ tó bá ti wá face pìtìpìtì ayé cause ó normal kí wọ́n máa face pìtìpìtì ayé tó bá ti wá stand on your ground pé I got to move on, it is normal, mi ní jẹ́ anything weigh me down. Tó bá ti pẹ́ tó bá ti sunkún tó bá ti wà nínú ìbànújẹ́ tó tọrọ owó lọ́wọ́ wọn tó ṣe anything tó bá máa sá fún ẹ. Wọ́n máa wò pé wọ́n bíìfù mi ni wọ́n bínú ògo mi nìkan ṣe gbogbo nǹkan ní bíìfì àwọn ilé gan kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi bíìfì ẹ̀ ṣe mọ́. They are psychopaths. Fún wọn ní ìbànújẹ́ tó máa múnú wọn dùn mọ́ ni. Ọlọ́run kò ṣàánú wa àwọn èèyàn wọ́n pé oríṣiríṣi nílé ayé.
you know, sometimes life throws you curveballs. You just have to learn to navigate and be resilient. I am talking about the fire incident that happened at my place. A lot of you are familiar with the news because I shared it here. That incident left me devastated. I mean, that fire took a lot. You have an idea. It actually also took the merchandise I went to China to get for the PR of my film Thin Line. Took some of the goods that I put in the container because I stored it in the store in the house. The fire started from the store and it was caused by a power surge. Guys, that left me broken. But I still found the strength to thank God because no life was lost. So I kept going. Like that was not enough. Few days or a week after the incident, my staff struck. Hey, they did not even have pity on me, guys. I mean, the staff working with me at my business space, my fashion house, they stole from me. It was so bad that I had to get the police involved. I was super overwhelmed with all those things. And at that point, I knew I had to take a break. I was drained. I had to take a short break, and that I did. So why am I making this video? During my break, a lot of people showed up for me, and that's why I want to say thank you. During and before my break, I want to say a very big thank you to my husband, my ever supportive husband.
See this content. See. Wow. Yeah. It makes sense. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah.
I trust you.
Pay me now, baby. You can do it. Okay. Come on, man. Whoa.
This is nothing but a man joke. It can't be possible.
Guys, Adamudad is coming to Netflix and Circus channel. February 21st is the date. Mark the date, guys. I think I need to go back to the gym.
Not be juju be that.
My Gen Z Alaji, I want to say thank you, babe. Thank you for holding it down. You're the best partner ever. God bless you. I want to say a very big thank you to Cinemax NG, my distribution company. You guys came correct. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To my colleagues.
I'm excited. God has been faithful. And in the spirit of the season, we're supposed to go all out, be happy, unwind, have a great time, an amazing time with family, with friends, with loved ones, share love. So it is Thin Line O'Clock. I will be at the cinema for Thin Line. Yes, you heard me right. And I'll be giving out 10 free tickets today. It's the season of giving. So guess where it is?
Oh, God, you. Most of people do organic. Ọmọ kékeré ibẹ̀ ọ̀gá ni, agbábẹ̀ ọ̀gá ni, ọ̀gá ni gbogbo àwọn àkòdù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìtọ́rọ Ọlọ́run ọ̀gá gbogbo wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Aigbe dání, ẹ show mi ní love. Mo rí yín, mo sọ pé ẹ lọ́gàá ẹ̀jẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé ẹ lọ́gàá. Okay báyìí, mo ti ń lọ sí Dream Park lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Bí mo ṣe ń lọ yìí, mo ti ń tẹná ọkọ̀, mo ti ń ṣe pàápàá, mo ti ń ṣe pàápàá, mo ti ń ṣe pèpè.
Mercy Aigbe. Mercy Aigbe. Mercy Aigbe. All Suleres, all Lagosians, all Nigerians, come out tomorrow. Let's watch this movie together. The title is what? Thin Line. Thin Line. Thin Line. No tenure. For you that you don't listen very well, the other time is Thin Line. So the Thin Line movie, it will start showing tomorrow at Film House at Sule by 3:50 p.m. 3:50 p.m. Lege Miami will be there.
In my ever supportive colleagues, thank you for using your platforms to promote Thin Line. Thank you for going out to do meet and greet. I mean, while I was on my short break, some of my colleagues actually went out to cinemas to do meet and greet for me without collecting a dime. That is love, pure love right there. And I want to say a very big thank you to all the influencers I worked with. You guys are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for having my back. I really do appreciate it. God bless you. To my Mercified army.
It was really nice. Like, the suspense was mad. It was so amazing. It was so amazing. Really amazing. Oh my God, guys. It was top notch. I was shocked and surprised. I love it so much. Like, it was beyond expectation. You tried. It was the best. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, well,
President General among the nation. President General among the nation. You guys are the best fans ever. I see your comments, I see your DMs. The fact that you went out to see Thin Line and you still gave your reviews. Those reviews were amazing. I mean, reading reviews on Thin Line just kept me going, made me very proud that I did something worthwhile. I did something beautiful with my cast and crew.
Oda,
One more bit.
Abolori buruku.
Momo.
Driver kan ni eni. Oh, ma bi so wo ge lo ni.
He cannot remember. Look at, see what situation to what with this situation, he cannot remember everything.
But the way that one lo, bó ṣe digba ya síbi, bó ṣe digba àwọn lọ nìyẹn, bó ṣe digba àwọn kankan bole. Àwọn you dey your big. Some people now carry plenty guns. Another second person, only one gun, but now carry big yashem.
No, mo do.
Orí fọ́ mi gan ya ọlá.
Orí ende ló máa fọ́ ẹ kú. Mo gbọ́n tó sọ. Ó láwọn kan wá pẹ̀lú big nyash.
Big gun and big
Cutlass and machetes and
Olórí burúkú ni ẹni.
Cast and crew of Thin Line, come on guys, a round of applause for you. Thank you for going on this journey with me. We made a masterpiece. Everyone that saw Thin Line gave beautiful reviews, and I want to say thank you so much for cooking this film with me. That said, guys, this 2025, hey, we are back bigger and better. Expect nothing but the best. I can't wait to start unraveling what we have for you guys. I have taken it upon myself to give nothing but the best when it comes to movies. Good movies only. Premium entertainment. Value for your money. Guys, I can't wait for you guys to be seeing our back-to-back films. I am so excited. I cannot wait to start churning out what we are cooking. We are currently in production, and trust me, you lovers of good movies, you are going to be entertained.
Hey guys, so I came back from the office to this tray, this spread of deliciousness. My first Valentine gift from Alata. Swear. The spread, I mean, this platter looks really inviting, and I cannot wait to dig in, guys. I cannot wait. Alata, swear. Thank you so much for this gift. I really do appreciate it. God bless you. So guys, go patronize them. They have this as gifts, Valentine gifts. So if you're planning to, get a gift for your lover, maybe your hubby, your boyfriend, your partner, this Valentine season, then go get this tray of awesomeness, deliciousness from Alata. Swear. Oh yeah, I'll show them what's inside. So there is jollof rice, fried rice. This rice looks like the village rice. There's spaghetti. This looks like goat's meat. Let me open it so you can. Yeah, mugbe. See, so much food. That's fish. It's just a lot of food, and I can't wait. I just cannot wait. Let me take a bite. Alata, thank you once again. God bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's that time of the year, Umrah 2025. My first Umrah this year. I am super excited, and I want to say a very big thank you to Almighty Allah for granting me my wish. So, kókó ìdí tí mo fi ń ṣe fídíò yìí ni wípé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ dàbí tèmi, tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ fún Umrah, tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ fún Hajj 2025 yìí, àṣeyọrí travel and tours ní kẹ́ bá lọ. Last year, and they made our journey seamless. We had a very beautiful experience from the airport, tickets, visa, hotel. Amazing. They are tested and trusted. So they made my experience very beautiful. 10 days of Ramadan, inshallah, Hajj 2025 gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ láníyàn pé fẹ́ lọ sí Hajj lọ́dún yìí Ọlọ́run á ṣe ní rọrùn fún yín and ìròyìn ayọ̀ mo tún mú wá fún yín wọ́n máa ń gba san díẹ̀díẹ̀ ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa sanwó yín díẹ̀díẹ̀ fún Àṣeyọrí Travels and Tours Limited láti ìsìn lọ. They are tested and trusted torí ẹ̀ lọ ṣe ń jẹ́ àṣeyọrí gbogbo nǹkan tá a bá dáwọ́lé ní ọdún tuntun 2025.
Those of you that have been asking, anticipating when Adam Wadadi is going to be on a streaming platform, I have good news for you. Adam Wadadi is going to be on Netflix, guys. Yes, Adam Wadadi is going to be on Netflix very soon, in a bit, guys. So stay glued to my page. I'll keep you all updated. So thank you for supporting the Mercy Aigbe brand. Thank you for your consistent support, your loyal support, your unconditional love. I am nobody without you guys, and I will keep saying thank you till I come your way next time. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. I love you.
Hi guys, so self-care is very important, and I recently decided to treat myself to a lash fix after a long time, and yes, I chose Susan Chanel. The exceptional hospitality and lovely ambience made the experience even more enjoyable. Look at the space, her staff courteous, very welcoming, and just look at how beautiful this place is. I mean, once you enter this place, it's another vibe entirely. So that's me going into the lash room, and I was torn between choosing the classic and the hybrid set, but ultimately opted for the classic. And I must say, I look absolutely beautiful. Look at my face. So go treat yourself today. So cute. This is from Wow Accessories. It has my picture and a note attached to it that says, "Dear Auntie Mercy, you are one person that grinds so hard. I pray that distant shores and the islands will continue to see your light. I just hope this brings a smile to your face." I love you so much, Tosin. Thank you, Tosin of Wow Accessories. This shrub brought a smile to my face. Thank you so much. It is super duper gorgeous. I love it. God bless you, Tosin. Thank you. I mean, this is so thoughtful of you. Thank you, Tosin. Thank you so much. And once again, thank you to everyone who has reached out to me. Thank you. I appreciate your love. Thank you for your calls, your prayers, your messages. I do not take your love for granted. God bless you, Tosin. This is gorgeous. I love it. Thank you.
I've seen it. It is an amazing movie. Watch it, enjoy, and there are still lessons to learn. You know, when you watch a movie that is amazing and then you still take home something significant, which is the message. So make sure you don't dull. Thin Line movie produced by Mercy Aigbe. So come on, come on. I'll be waiting for you. 10 free tickets. First come, first serve. Bye.
Lege Miami will be there. Let's watch it together. Oh, I've said my own. Oh, come and laugh and learn from the movie and forget your sorrow.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Hi besties, what are you doing today? Come out, make it a date with me at Silverbird Cinema Ikeja City Mall. I'm on my way right there for the film of the moment, Summer Rain, by my girl Bolaji Ogumola. I've been reading reviews online. You all know that Bolaji does not do nonsense film. I mean, if you watch her films on YouTube, you would know that she knows her onions. She's a badass producer. So I am not surprised. I've been seeing a lot of amazing reviews on our film Summer Rain. I'm on my way there. The first 20 people to meet me there get free tickets, courtesy moi. So catch you all in a bit.